this is how we jive for mass communication. Now I'm again with another video, a very simple tutorial. You can see I have an Audi car key, I have an Audi car, and if you want to change battery, how you can do that? The process is very simple, but if you don't know all the day, you can try and you can break at the end of the day your car key. So how we can do that? Very simple process. You have to open your key here, then you see this part. Let me show you properly. Here you see, here you have some sort of notch. You need a screwdriver in this case, and you have to hold this, and exactly this position you see here properly, this position you have to push. You see it's coming out slowly. Put a little bit more. Okay, it's fine. Put a screwdriver very gently till here. You will see, you will hear some noise, and it's out. Here we go. Here we can see CR2032, 3 volt. So 32, this one you see Maxell, could be Maxell, Sony Maxell CR2032 battery. I have to use in this one. So I will take this battery off from here, to the part as I can. It's fine, and I will put here this way. You can put the battery inside and it should go the same way inside. You see here you have some space, so battery will be there. Or you can do another way. You can put battery here as well, but if you put as this, it's not taking, so better put the battery here. This is the place. Then put back again the same way. Put back. Let's see, gone inside, perfect, locked. Here you have to push, slide a little bit, then it will open very easily. Close this one, open, perfect. So we have a new battery in our car key. Very easy and simple tutorial. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.